Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I have a very exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing the GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar for 2021. Here is the baby right here. She weighs 13 or 12 pounds. I can't remember, but she is huge, okay? I was not expecting it to be like this big, but this baby is huge. So this has 16 full-size products and 11 deluxe size products in here worth over $550, and if you are a subscriber, you can get this for $89, or if you're a non-subscriber, you can get it for $99. I feel like this is the perfect gift to give someone for Christmas. You just give them, you know, the one gift, and they have 25 gifts inside. Now, I did do spoilers on the USA Advent Calendar version and the UK version, and they do differ quite a lot, but honestly, it's still a really good deal because you're getting so many products in here for only $89 or $99, and you can't beat that, especially with all of the subscription boxes that we have. This is definitely a great value. Plus, GLOSSYBOX is a great subscription anyways. You guys can sign up. I will have my code down below where you guys can go sign up and stuff and get a deal. I always have that information down below. I do have where I can earn a commission if I so choose on if you guys purchase through my links and stuff, but I just never set it up because I don't want you guys to think that I want to make money off of you guys, so I just haven't put that link down there, but I do have it. So just know that the link to GLOSSYBOX is not an affiliate link. I just don't want you guys, since I do get PR from them, to think that I'm always pressuring you guys to get GLOSSYBOX and then I make a commission off you guys. I don't add the link. I just don't want you guys to think that, you know, I'm pushing it off on you guys. But yeah, if you guys would like to see what is in this advent calendar in person and not just spoilers, then definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And if you ever so would, please subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you're already viewing this video. Just click the button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so we're just going to leave the box back here because, like I said, it's so big, and we're just going to take the drawers out one by one and open them. So let's go ahead with this drawer here. Oh, okay, so they're not in order, so let's just, I guess, go through them and not go through the days because they're not in order. So fortunately, we have day 1 right here. So here is day numero uno. This is very bright. I feel like this is very bright. Let me turn the brightness down a smidge. There, I think that's a little bit better. Okay, so day number 1, and this is all packaged so nicely. Okay, so we have the Perfect Night Sleep scented candle, and this smells like heaven. I'm so excited. This smells so good. I'm going to burn this tonight and see if I do get a good night's sleep. So that was day number 1. Let's get on with day number 15. These boxes are so nice. Okay. Oh, there's 2 things in here. Okay. So we have a conditioner and a shampoo full-blown volume. So full-blown volume shampoo and conditioner weightless amplifier. Super cool. Great. Can't wait to try this. Let's go with day number 18. This whole box, and we get this. I think that's everything in there. Yeah. Okay. So this is from Illamasqua, the Beyond Liquid Highlighter. This is a cute itsy bitsy little baby, and let me just swatch it for you guys. Okay, I barely even applied a little bit to the back of my hand and it just came on out, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Okay, so day number 9. Oh, we have from Cab, which has recently become one of my favorite brands that I keep getting in subscription boxes. This is in Charming, and it's a lip liner and lip gloss duo, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so here we have the 2 lip products. Let me go ahead and swatch them for you. Okay, so the liner is very much creamy. We love a creamy liner. Okay, so these 2 colors together obviously match, so that's great. And they're so beautiful. Perfect for Christmas, a nice red lip. Love that. Okay, day number 23. We have from Medic 8 the C Tetra Luxe Lipid Vitamin C. Oh, okay, so we have a cute little bottle of serum here. Love it, love it. And then the last one in the first drawer is day number 20. And we have here the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Patch Skin from First Aid Beauty. Okay, so drawer number 2. I just love how these are packaged. They're so nice. Okay, so let's go on with day number 8. Okay, so we have Figs in Rouge Wonder Love Clarity. This is a Skin Perfection Glow, Revitalize, Smooth, and Hydrate. I guess this is another serum. I really like the packaging of this bottle. It's really cute. Now, day number 11. Here we have a little scrub brush, which I think would be great for exfoliating your skin, your hands, your feet, you know, a cute little brush. Okay, day number 4 is huge. I wonder what's in here. Ah, yes. A makeup eraser, which is one of my faves. I actually recently was contacted by a rep for makeup eraser and other companies, and I was supposed to give them like what I wanted from the website, and I lost the email when I went on vacation. So if you're watching this, I lost your email. Please email me back. But anyways, here we have a makeup eraser. I am 100% behind the fact that these work. I use makeup erasers in my bathroom all the time. They literally get rid of all of your makeup with just water. They are a magic eraser. Highly recommend if you have not tried one of these. They work 100%. Now, day number 13. Oh, okay. I've never tried anything from GLOSSYBOX's brand. So this is the Skincare Hydrating Mist. Tones, primes, and refreshes. I'm excited about this one. I have not tried any of their brand stuff before, and the bottle is super cute. Let's go ahead and see if it has a scent. Oh, that smells so good. I need that in a perfume. Oh, I love that. GLOSSYBOX, do you have this in a perfume? I need to know. Okay, so number 3, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser Anti-Aging. I'm very excited to see it in this size because I did receive a sample size that was much smaller. So it's great to see a bigger deluxe size. So I'm very excited about this. All things anti-aging, give it to me because I really need it. All right, next drawer. We have quite a lot of days in here. Let's go ahead and do day number 6. Woo! Okay, so I've gotten this brand a lot. This is from Polar. This is the hand cream, the genuine Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. I want to smell this. I don't think it has a scent. I don't smell anything. But yeah. Okay, great. Ooh, this is soft. That's soft. Okay, let's go on with day number 22. Oh, yeah. Okay, we have from 111 Skin the NACY2 Restorative Cleansing Balm. We love this brand. This brand is so freaking good. And yeah, this is a win. Okay, now we have day number 14. I wish that the light wasn't so bright on these boxes. Okay, so this is from One Kind. This is the Perfectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay plus AHBA. I assume this is a mask. Yeah, so this is a mask. So there you have it. Day number 24 is huge. And we have a satin pillowcase. I actually do like silk pillowcases, and I have been using the ones that I've gotten in other subscription boxes. They just help, like, you know, face wrinkles and stuff. And ooh, this is a beautiful pink color too. How long do you think it's gonna take for my makeup that I don't wash off my face to ruin this? I'm excited about this one. Okay, day number 17. Okay, so this is from Earth Harbor. We've had this brand before in other boxes. This is the Nebula Aptogen Clarity Ampoule Sea Lavender and Ginseng. I have heard that this brand is so good, and I have been using one of their serums on my face. So I have high hopes for this, and I do like how all the bottles look so, like, I don't know, witchy with like different colors. Like one's green, one's red, now this one's purple. Just all of them next to each other is gonna be so pretty. Okay, day number 19, the last one in this drawer. We have the Nail Lacquer in Tamale. So this is a nail polish. Very fun packaging, by the way. And this is a gorgeous shade. This is gonna be a toenail shade for me. For sure. It is so beautiful, and it definitely reminds me of like Tamale, so they definitely named that accordingly. Okay, I'm actually so sad that this is the last drawer, and this also seems to be the heaviest drawer, which makes sense since it's on the bottom. That's probably why they didn't put everything in order. So let's go ahead and do day number 2. Oh, and then there's another one on the bottom of that one. Okay, so day number 2. Oh, okay. The Authentic Beauty Concept Stronghold Hairspray. I love the hair mask of this brand, so I have a feeling this is going to be really good. I should try more from this brand just because I really like the hair mask, and since that was a win for me, I feel like this is going to be a good brand. They sell it at Ulta, so very excited about that. Then we have day 21. This one's definitely got some weight to it. Oh, and we have several little products in here. Okay. So we have from Vitabird C12 Dual Mask and a boosting facial water. So you get like 2 in 1. That's great. Okay. Day number 5, which also has some weight to it. Oh, okay. We have Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Love that. Day number 12. We have a Bella Pierre Cosmetics little kabuki brush, which will be great for travel or anything like that. Now we have day number 7. I'm so sad we're almost done. Okay, so this is from MCO Beauty, the Blush On Cheek Stick Long Wear Ultra Creamy Formula Buildable Color in the shade Bronze. This is actually a beautiful color, so I cannot wait to try that out. Okay, day 25 is on the bottom of everything. Okay, so we have the Wander Beauty Wanderous Rush palette and 2 brushes from Elena Badrow. So that's 2 in 1, which is great. And these are like 2 very essential brushes that I could definitely use both of these for an entire look. So I like that these 2 are included. And then here is the palette. I definitely will be reviewing this just so I can see like how the quality is and stuff like that, because normally these palettes are not my favorite whatsoever. But those are some beautiful shades, so hopefully it works out, but normally it doesn't. That's what makes it so sad, and I wish that the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde came in the USA version. Anyways, day number 16, we have from Josephine Cosmetics the Meet Jolie, I don't know what this is, eyeliner. So here is the eyeliner, and it is a liquid liner. So that's always great to have. And then the very last one is box number 10. I'm very sad that this is over. And we have a little perfume, a little flower balm perfume. Very excited. What is this gonna smell like? Oh, that smells so good. Very, very excited about that. So that is everything that came in this advent calendar. I have to say, once you unbox it and you see everything out and in person, you actually get a ton for your money. And if you want to gift somebody something and you know, you want to keep it very moderately priced, but they also get a lot for their money, I think this is still a really, really good gift to give someone, and they get 25 26, 27, because there was some extras things, and they get to try stuff out, and I think this is going to be a really great gift for Christmas. So I'll have all my information down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Now that you're seeing this in person, do you find this to be a lot better now than just based off of the spoilers that I gave you? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you GLOSSYBOX for sending this to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!